There's a specific moment when you put on a new pair of earbuds and everything just changes. It's not about the marketing or the box that it came in, but that first second of silence before the music starts. And Edifier has been chasing that feeling for a while now, and with the EvoBuds Pro, it feels like they have stopped chasing and started leading. So these are not just another pair of wireless earbuds to throw into your bag, but in my time of testing them, they really felt like a deliberate attempt to bridge the gap between high-end audiophile earphones and the daily convenience that we all need. So let's check it out. So holding the case for the first time in my hands, I noticed a reassuring weight to it, and it does not feel hollow or plasticky, and the finish here is very sleek and you get this two-tone plastic look. And when you pop the lid open, the buds sit inside there with a certain presence. And one thing I really appreciate immediately is the use of antibacterial ear tips, which is a very small detail, but when you are wearing these for hours on end, then that focus on hygiene and ear health becomes a thoughtful touch. And these earbuds also carry IP54 rating as well, so while they look like premium tech, they are also built to handle a dusty trail or a sudden rain shower without missing a beat. So living with these daily is where the new tech starts to show its value, and these are running on Bluetooth 6.0, and the stability is noticeable the moment you walk through a crowded train station, and I didn't experience any of those annoying stutters or signal drops. And the multi-point connection has been a hero for my workflow as well, letting me switch from a conference call on my laptop to a quick phone call on my phone without even thinking about it. So it just works in the background, which is exactly how I want my tech to behave. So if you watch a lot of video or dive into mobile games a lot, the latency here is impressive thanks to the Bluetooth 6 backbone and LDAC support. The sync between what you see and what you hear is pretty tight, and there isn't any distracting lag where the audio feels like it's trailing behind the action. So it is snappy and responsive, making the experience feel much more integrated than your standard wireless connection. The hybrid active noise cancellation here is where the EvoBuds Pro really earned that Pro badge, and it is rated for up to minus 48 decibels of noise reduction, and in my experience that number does translate to a very quiet environment. It doesn't just muffle the world around you, but somewhat carves out, that pocket of silence in your noisy day-to-day. Whether it's the low-frequency hum of my aircon or the unpredictable chatter of a busy cafe, these manage to put those sounds into the far distance. Again, it's not best in class, but plenty good for almost all situations. And what I found most useful though is how it handles different environments. Through the Edifier Connects app, you can toggle between high and medium ANC modes or anything in between. I usually keep it on high for public transits, but medium is great for an office settings where you want to just cut off the AC drone without feeling totally isolated, and also to save some battery life. There is also a dedicated wind noise reduction mode, and I tested this while walking on a particularly breezy day, and it does a fantastic job of neutralizing that sharp buffering sound that usually plagues most earbuds. And if you need to stay aware of your environment, the ambient sound mode is very natural. It doesn't sound overly processed or robotic, and you can actually adjust the ambient levels on a scale from -3 to +3 in the app, which again is a level of customization that you don't normally see. It also allows you to keep one foot in the real world, making it easy to have a quick conversation or listen for a flight announcement if you're in the airport without ever having to take the earbuds out. So this is where we need to slow down a little bit and really look at what's happening inside the housing, because Edifier went with a dual coaxial dynamic driver setup. So you get a 10mm woofer with a 6mm tweeter. Because they are aligned coaxially, the timing of the sound hitting your ear is incredibly precise. Starting with the sub bass, it is deep and physical, and you do not just hear the low end, you actually feel the subtle vibration that gives tracks their foundation. And the mid bass here is tuned with a lot of punch, but it is still very disciplined. It does not bleed into the other frequencies, which is very good, keeping the overall sound clean and separated. The mid vocals are vivid and forward, and there is a texture to male and female voices that feels very human and close. Moving into the highs, the 6mm tweeters definitely brings a sparkling clarity. It is bright and detailed without ever becoming piercing or fatiguing over long sessions. So the sound imaging is pinpoint accurate in my opinion, and I could almost reach out and place where each instrument was sitting in the recording, and combined with a soundstage that feels wider and more expansive than most in-ear designs, it really creates an immersive bubble that makes live recordings feel genuinely atmospheric. In my opinion, this is like high-res audio wireless at its best, especially when you are taking full advantage of that LDAC codec, which allows you for 3 times the audio data rate of standard Bluetooth.
So this is a test to see if the Edifier EvoBuds Pro is a good earbud for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can accept from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below.
In terms of pure output performance, these have plenty of headroom, and I never felt like I was reaching for more volume, even when I was in noisy environments and wanted to really feel the music. And what I appreciate most about the volume delivery here is the linearity. It doesn't just get loud and distorted at the top end, it maintains that clarity and composure all the way up, so it's very linear. Whether you are listening at 20% for background focus or pushing it higher for a more immersive session, the balance between the woofer and the tweeter stays very consistent. Overall, it is a powerful and clean delivery that gives you that total control over how much of the world you want to drown out. So to get the most out of these, you really need to use the Edifier Connects app. It is where you manage all the smart features and fine-tune the experiences to your liking. But the standout feature for me is the AI voice translation, and it supports seamless translation across 21 languages, which is a game changer for traveling. Being able to communicate across language barriers directly through your earbuds feels like stepping into the future. There are many things you can control here as well, including your ANC and your ambient sound control, earbuds control remapping, EQ settings, and even finding your earbuds. And you get almost all critical controls that makes this app worthwhile. And of course, all of this tech requires power to run, and the battery life here is solid as well. And on a single charge, you are looking at about 7 hours with ANC on, or up to 9 hours if you turn it off. With the charging case, you get a total of 36 hours, and if you do find yourself running low, the fast charging itself is a lifesaver. Just 15 minutes of charge will give you up to 3 hours of playback time without ANC, which is more than enough to get you through a long commute or a workout. And after spending significant time with the Edifier EvoBuds Pro, my takeaway is that they are an incredibly balanced package. They manage to pack high-end audiophile components into a design that is practical for everyday life. And you get the technical brilliance of the dual drivers plus the LDAC codec, but you also get the utility of AI translation, you get great call quality, and they feel like a complete thought-through product. And if you are looking for a pair of earbuds that you can truly do it all in 2026, then these should be right at the top of your list. And if you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to the channel and like this video. And if you want more reviews like this, check out these videos up here.